How to use Printful for Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into how use Printful for Amazon, and we've got fantastic strategies to explore. So whether you are an inspiring seller or a seasoned entrepreneur, stay tuned for more valuable insights. First, let's explore the power of Printful. You have to sign up first on printful.com, and then after creating your Printful account, you can craft custom templates. These templates are your creative playground where you design your own products, like t-shirts and mugs. Once your design are ready, you can place orders for these items. And I'm going to show you on how to create a product template. Have to select what clothing you prefer. Want t-shirts, hoodies, sweatpants, joggers, underwear. And then you can drop your design here if you have your own design, or you can create or select sample files. Let's see, for example, we are going to try this design. You can actually size it or place it wherever you want. Then if you're satisfied, click save to templates. And that's it, you have your own design. Here are some key points to remember. To become an Amazon seller, you need to choose between an individual plan or professional plan. In selling plans, the individual plan costs $0.99 per unit sold, and professional plan costs $39.99 per month, no matter how many units you sell. For referral fees, Amazon charges referral fee for each item sold. The amount depends on the product category. Most referral fees are between 8% and 15%. For fulfillment fees, the cost to ship your orders depends on whether you fulfill your orders or use fulfillment by Amazon. In this case, Amazon will be fulfilling your orders. Other costs, some sellers may incur additional costs such as inventory surcharge or pay optional programs like advertising, premium account services. To get started with selling on Amazon, you need to sign up for Amazon seller account, and then you need to provide all the necessary business information such as your business name, company registered number, your business address, and the phone number, and then hit next. And then after that, you have to fulfill your seller information, the billing, the store, and lastly is for the verification. Once your Amazon seller account is up and running, you can link it to your Printful account, but remember, you'll need to pay for the Amazon professional plan to access this feature. Now, let's navigate the Printful dashboard together. In your Printful dashboard, you can manage your stores, and if you haven't already, you can create new store. In our case, I've already linked my Shopify store in here. And then we're going to choose platform, and let's find Amazon. Then connect. Then these are the steps on how to connect Amazon store to Printful. Step 1 is to register for an Amazon Seller Central account, which we already did a while ago. And there are important things to note is you need an Amazon professional plan which costs $399.99 a month plus referral fees. And then if you sell under your own brand, Amazon requires you to submit a real-life products photos to get your GTIN or Global Trade Item Number exemption. And then step 2 is to choose Amazon regions you want to sell on. You need to authorize these countries. And step 3 is to set up your brand name and GTIN exemption. And then lastly is adding and syncing your products. So in conclusion, while there are some fees involved when selling on Amazon and using Printful, the potential benefits are substantial. Amazon is a massive e-commerce platform, and if you want to tap into effectively, you have a significant opportunity to expand your business. If you're interested in learning more about the fees, pricing, or need further information about the comparison that suits your specific needs, it's always a good idea to check Amazon frequently asked questions or reach out to their support for their live assistance. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Amazon seller tools, Printful, and other exciting topics. Best of luck with your Amazon selling journey, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.